Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Once again, I am here to serve you with a new topic, that is income statement. Before going to income statement, let me introduce once again. My name is Ghulam Surhio. I am by profession accounts officer, a public accounts officer in the Sindh Agriculture University, Tandojam. And my different degrees are mentioned on this one slide. You can view it. Let's move towards the topic, income statement. Another name of income statement is profit and loss account statement. In business, income is made at year end to determine to measure the profitability of any business. It is very much essential, like as balance sheet, because balance sheet gives us net worth, assets, liability, and honor equity, as I taught you in previous lecture. Likewise, income statement gives us the profitability, whether the business is earning the profit or not, whether business is going smoothly towards profitability or not. As well as income statement tells us about the expenditures, that how much a business has made expenditures during the whole year. So it is essential to go for this statement annually, semi-annually, to determine, to assess the business properly. Here I have shown the picture. In picture you will see here revenue, expenses, profits. First of all, we must have the sale. We sell out the things, and the sale gives us the profits, and that from that profit gains we used to deduct the expenses of our business, and finally we will be having profit. Now let's move towards the another slide, how we earn profit or loss. In business there may be the profit or loss, so we call this statement as a profit and loss account statement as well, along with income statement. So now, before going for any income statement making, uh, there are three essentials: name of business, name of statement, and period. For what period we are making the statement. So here I have quoted example as you can understand properly. Mr. Ishad Patel Company income, and its name is income statement, and for the period ended June 30, 2019. So this is a very ample example I have given over here, as you can easily understand, perceive the start of the income statement. Like is, or similarly, there are two types of income statement: single step income statement, and another one is multi step income statement. In single step income statement, we used to determine the revenue as total and expenses, whereas in multi step we give the bifurcation of all the items, like operating items and non-operating items, and then expenses. How this we used to make, or we used to make in practical. Let's move towards another slide. Here you will find an example. Here you see that there are sales revenue, total revenue, and then total expenses we have calculated, means revenue minus expenses is equal to net income. This is the single step, whereas toward the multi-step income statement we need of operating section, non-operating section, and income tax. In operating, the purpose of both statement is same, that whether the organization is going into the profit or loss, but the methods are different to determine, to measure, to assess the profitability or loss. Now here you will see operating section that includes sales, cost of goods sold, gross profit. Likewise, in non-operating, you will see these interest, revenue, expenses, and income tax, and then we reach towards the net income. This is basically these are basically the steps regarding the multi-step income statement. I have made cost of goods sold as well. As you know, that cost here is, you will see in multiple step income statement, cost of goods sold. This is what in manufacturing company we used to buy the things, means the expenditure related with the direct cost of product or manufacturing cost, and then we used to sell these products, or we can say that this type of goods sold is our expense. We used to deduct from the sales, and then we will be having the gross profit. तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी में हमें, मतलब जब हम प्रोडक्ट बना रहे होते हैं, तो उस वक्त जो जो अखराजात होते हैं उसमें डायरेक्ट मटेरियल लग रहा होता है, डायरेक्ट लेबर लग रहा होता है, आपका फैक्ट्री और हेड के कॉस्ट्स होते हैं। अब ये है कि जो प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड डायरेक्ट मटेरियल और लेबर है उसको हम डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट कहते हैं, प्राइम कॉस्ट कहते हैं, और जो हमारे फैक्ट्री और हेड है वो जो है मतलब हमारे इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट है, जैसा कि सैलरीज वाले बंदे हो गए, पावर वाले हो गए, जो कोई एनर्जी वगैरह दे रहा है उस प्रोडक्ट को बनाने के लिए, ये हमारे इनडायरेक्ट हो गए। तो फाइनली वी विल बी हैविंग कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड। So this factor, basically cost of goods sold, further comes in income statement. It is a part of income statement, as we can have very fair income statement. So very simply I have given an example over here, ABC company है, ठीक है। मेरा कहने का मकसद यहाँ पर यह है कि इस पूरी पिक्चर का मकसद ये है कि कास्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड स्टेटमेंट है क्या। कास्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड इज इक्वल टू बिगनिंग इन्वेंट्री प्लस परचेजेस माइनस क्लोजिंग इन्वेंट्री। मतलब हमारे पास शुरू में कोई इन्वेंट्री होगी, फिर हम कोई परचेज करेंगे पूरे साल में प्रोडक्ट को बनाने के लिए, फिर हमारे पास कोई आखिर में इन्वेंट्री बचेगी, फिर फाइनली जाके हमारे पास जो आइटम्स बचेंगे, कास्ट जो होगी वो ये होगी। ये हमारा मतलब इंटीग्रेटेड पार्ट है इनकम स्टेटमेंट का। तो इसलिए मैंने बेहतर समझा कि ये आपको यहाँ पर मैं दे दूँ। Moving towards another statement, I have given the whole, that income statement. Here you will see the net sales, and cost of goods is sold is deducted from it. Then we will be having gross profit. फिर हमारे पूरी आर जितने भी एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं वो 38,000 के हैं। जब हम ये यहाँ से इसमें से काटेंगे तो हमारे पास ऑपरेटिंग इनकम आएगी, जो कि बिफोर टैक्स होती है। जब हम टैक्स, यहाँ इसको हम ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट भी कहते हैं, जब हम टैक्स इसमें से डिडक्ट करेंगे तो हमारे पास नेट इनकम आएगी। So, guys, this is basically the income statement that we use to prepare in every organization, in whether it is a manufacturing type or any kind of corporation. We need to make the income statement, and very practically, I have given you these slides. I hope you will understand it betterly. And in the next segment, I'll prepare the comprehensive problem for you. Thank you very much for listening me, and inshallah, I'll be with you with next topic on next day. Thank you.